So what mouse mat sizes do we have? We got small, we got medium, we got large, and apparently we got humongous as well. Guys, with me today I got Razer's latest, I was supposed to say mechanical keyboard, but this is a mouse mat. It's called the Goliathus Extended Chroma, and as the name hints, it's a one hell of a big mouse mat. In this video we're gonna unbox this fella over here. Guys, this is exciting stuff. Let's get into it. Alright, so hopefully we got enough space now. Hopefully, possibly, most likely. Let's see, let's try and see if I can get this in focus. Alright, there we go. So we got the Goliathus Extended Chroma, guys, featuring Razer Chroma, of course. So this will be powered by a single USB, and you got 16.8 million color options here, and it works with Philips Hue as well, which I've talked about in videos in the past, basically. And yeah, here's me, by the way. Not sure if you guys can see me. I seriously need to get another camera so we get several angles, more than one angle, so to speak. If we take a look at the back of this bad boy here, we can see some of the features. Let there be light. Okay, we got a micro textured cloth surface, and on the side, if we flip this 180, you can actually, there's a cutout here in the box where you can feel the material, and it's so nice. Right, let's not get too carried away now. What else do we got? We got powered by Razer Chroma with 16.8 million customizable color options. We got optimized for all sensitivity. Ever heard that one before? Anyway, settings and sensors for responsiveness and performance. And we also got non-slip rubber base to stay firmly in place. It's time to open it, guys. Probably need to have the box laying down, otherwise it's getting out of frame. Let's see. So there's a nice little arrow there. Let's peel it off and see what happens. Is it open now? Yes. Alright, so I was contemplating whether we needed a knife or not. Seems like we don't. Here we go. So we got, what we got here? We got a braided, pretty small cable here. Alright, so first sight, I like it. Stickers. God damn it. Thank you. Wow, nice. How long is this? Probably long enough, hopefully. Wow, this is at least 2 meters. Alright, so there seems to be something hiding in here. Wow, alright. Is there anything else? Alright, so the box is now empty. Let's focus on the cool stuff. Let's focus on the good stuff now. So let's see, what do we got here? I think I need to peel this off, guys. The smell of new cloth. God damn. Alright, got that one off. What do we got? Let's see. Now which way? Probably this way. Here we go. Wow. Oh man, oh my god. This is big. Wow. Alright. And inside the cylinder, there's apparently some sort of instruction manual. Let's have a look at this super quick. What do we got? Let's just move. Let's move Sanchez over here so he can take a look as well. Let's see. Let's do this together. Alright, so what do we got here? Registry. How you should install it. You know what? I don't think we need this. Nor do we need the stickers. I'm gonna save those for later, definitely. Let's just put it inside so that we don't lose it. Let's just put this back in the cylinder. And guys, for comparison purposes, we got the Firefly here as well, the hard one. There's quite a difference in size, to be honest. Wow, it's so big, guys. It's so big. It's definitely covers 1/3 of the desk. It's amazing. We need to connect this, obviously. We need to find a empty USB. On the upper left side corner there's a small little box that takes care of the Chroma lightning. Oh man, I like it. I like it a lot, guys. It's so nice. It's super nice. I don't know what else to say other than that. I'm kind of speechless right now. Let's see if we can sort this out, the cable, and yeah, we need to connect it. Wow, nice. Oh, this is awesome. Alright, so what keyboard am I using right now? Well, as of right now, I'm in love with the Ornata Chroma. You can call me a Razer fanboy if you want, I don't care, guys. At this point, I don't care. I like this. I like this a lot. This is gonna look extremely nice as soon as we pop the light here. I'll be back in 2 seconds, guys. Well, actually, let's just roll another angle so you guys can see how this looks when the lights have been popped. I like this, guys. I like this a lot. Now, guys, that's gotta cut it for this video. Expect a full review coming out of this mouse mat within the upcoming days. Now, let me know in the comments below. And let me know, guys, are you a fan of extended bigger mouse mat? Let me know in the comments below. We also need to attach the there we go. I love this. I cannot wait to talk more about it in the upcoming days. Have you experienced extended mouse mat in the past? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Share all your details, guys. I cannot wait to hear what you guys have to say about this. My first impression is good. I like this bigger mouse mat, and I like to be able to have my keyboard on it as well. It's super comfy. What else can I say? Cannot wait to share more details on it. But until next time, guys, have an awesome day. Alright, bye.